Imagine being one of the most talked about young stars in Hollywood, but being legally banned from showing your own child online. That's the reality Halle Bailey and her boyfriend, DDG, are facing right now. A Los Angeles judge just issued an unexpected order that shocked fans and raised serious questions about their relationship, their family, and their future. Why would the court step in so harshly? And what does this mean for their 19-month-old son, Halle? According to official court documents, both Halle Bailey and DDG are now forbidden from posting anything about their son on social media. That means no photos, no birthday videos, not even a casual mention. The order is so strict that it even bans them from having friends or family share pictures of Halle on their behalf. The wording is clear: no images, no information, no exceptions. For a celebrity couple constantly under the spotlight, such a restriction is almost unheard of. Fans were stunned, asking, why would a judge go this far? But the answer may lie in what's been happening behind the scenes. Halle and DDG's relationship has never been smooth sailing. From the very start, their romance was shadowed by breakup rumors, cryptic tweets, and whispers of cheating scandals. DDG, who built his career on YouTube, often blurred the line between real life and content. Every argument, every rumor, seemed to spill online. And while Halle tried to keep her image polished, especially as the star of Disney's Little Mermaid, DDG leaned into the chaos, sometimes even fueling the drama for views. For fans, it was entertaining. But for a judge looking at the well-being of a toddler, it painted a different picture: a child at risk of becoming the center of a digital circus. That's why the social media ban makes sense. It wasn't just about protecting privacy, it was about preventing Halle from being dragged into his parents' online drama. But the restrictions didn't stop there. The court's order went beyond social media. It laid out exactly how DDG can see his son. According to the documents, he's only allowed visits under professional supervision. Every Wednesday, every Saturday, and every other Sunday, from 9 in the morning until 6 at night, DDG can spend time with Halle. But never alone. And the monitor watching those visits isn't just there to make sure things stay safe. Their main role is to enforce the court's ban on social media posting. That means even during private family moments, there's someone making sure no phone is lifted, no camera sneaks a shot, and nothing ends up online. For many fans, that detail said everything. The court doesn't fully trust DDG to keep his son off social media. And if the judge feels that level of oversight is necessary, it raises a chilling question: what's really happening behind closed doors? For Halle Bailey, protecting Halle isn't just about motherhood, it's also about reputation. As Disney's newest princess, she's carrying the weight of a carefully built image: wholesome, family, friendly, and untouched by controversy. Any scandal connected to her child could damage years of work and millions of dollars in brand partnerships. DDG, on the other hand, comes from a completely different world. His career was born on YouTube, where sharing personal drama is the currency. Breakups, fights, even family issues, it all becomes content. That approach might win clicks, but it clashes hard with the Hollywood rulebook Halle lives under. The judge's order reflects that collision of worlds: a rising actress protecting her brand versus a creator who thrives on exposure. And in the middle of that battle is a child who's now legally shielded from the spotlight. But if the court was hoping to calm things down, the public's reaction proved the opposite. The internet exploded the moment news of the court order went public. On one side, fans rushed to defend Halle, praising her for protecting Halle from what they see as DDG's unpredictable online behavior. Comments flooded Twitter and TikTok, calling her a smart mom and saying she was making the right move to keep her child off the internet. But not everyone agreed. DDG supporters argued he's being punished unfairly, claiming he's just a father who wants to share moments of his son's life like any other parent. Some even accused the court of silencing him and creating a double standard between celebrities and influencers. And then there were the conspiracy theories. Threads speculated that Halle's legal team had pushed hard for the ban to control the narrative, while others hinted that the judge simply didn't trust DDG's history of oversharing. Whatever the case, one thing was clear: the order only added more fuel to the fire of their already complicated relationship. But the public reactions were just the surface. Behind it all, there were deeper, unspoken tensions that may explain why things escalated this far. For months, whispers have followed Halle and DDG's relationship. Rumors suggest Halle's family never fully approved of him, worried that his messy online presence could hurt her career. And when cheating allegations and breakup drama kept surfacing, those concerns only grew louder. Insiders claim that while Halle stayed focused on building her career, DDG often pulled their private life into the public eye. Every cryptic tweet, every YouTube rant, became ammunition for gossip blogs. To Disney executives and Halle's inner circle, that kind of instability was dangerous, not just for her image, but for baby Halo's well-being. So when the judge stepped in, it wasn't just about social media. It was about control. It was about drawing a line in the sand and saying, Halo would not be another storyline in a never-ending online spectacle. But the biggest question is, what does this mean for the future of their family? This court order could be the start of something much bigger. Some fans believe it's only a temporary measure, a way to cool tensions until both parents prove they can co-parent peacefully. But others see it as the first move in a much larger custody battle, one where privacy, reputation, and parental rights all collide. For now, Halo is being raised away from the cameras, a rare situation for a celebrity child in the age of constant oversharing. He may end up being one of the most hidden children in Hollywood, shielded not just by his mother, but by the court itself. The bigger question is what happens next. Can Halle and DDG find common ground, or will this order drive them even further apart? And how will their son look back on these decisions years from now, knowing he was at the center of one of the most unusual celebrity battles we've seen? But before anyone gets answers, the couple has to live with the fact that their private struggles are now public record. Right now, Halo may be the most protected baby in Hollywood, kept completely off the internet by order of a judge. For Halle, that means shielding her son from the chaos of online drama. For DDG, it means losing a piece of the life he built by sharing everything with his audience. And for fans, it leaves endless questions. Was this decision truly about protecting a child, or is it also about control and image? Is this the beginning of a stable co-parenting path, or the first step in a bitter custody war? One thing's for sure, this story is far from over. And the next chapter could change not only Halle and DDG's relationship, but the way celebrity parents handle privacy in the spotlight. So what do you think? Did the court make the right call, or does this cross the line into controlling their personal lives? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest on Hollywood's most dramatic stories.